This short video is going to help you understand how to change your Canvas notifications. So go on the left here, click on Account, Notifications, and this is your Notifications and Preferences page. You will see that there are little symbols here. What do these mean? Well, this check mark means notify me right away. This little clock means send me a daily summary. This little calendar means send me a weekly summary. And the X means do not send me anything. So how do we change our preferences? Well, if you want to receive an announcement as soon as your professor makes it, make sure to have this option. So announcement, I have the check mark. As soon as there is an announcement, I will receive an email about it. If I don't want to receive an email every time an announcement is made, then I can click on this. And at the end of the day, I will get an email that gives me a summary of every announcement that was made on that day. I prefer this announcement. I prefer as soon as an announcement is made. I feel the same way about grades. Every time I have a grade, I want to know what grade I got. So I will click on this. And you can go through all of these to see if you want a notification immediately, if you want a notification just once a day, or if you want a notification once a week. I recommend this and this, a combination of these two for students. So once you set these up, there's no save button, you're done. And you can continue doing what you're doing during your day, but you should check your email, because as soon as an announcement is made and you have said that you want to receive an announcement in the email, then you will be able to see it as soon as your professor says it. As soon as you get a grade, you'll be able to see it. You might be wondering what this is. This is a push notification. That means that on your phone, you will get a little symbol that says, oh, something new happened on Canvas on this course. So you can also turn these notifications on for your phone or whatever device that you use. But the most important is this. This is the most important part. I hope that's helpful.